Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You need to confirm prerequisites first. Update your iPhone 13 to the newest public or developer iOS release, sign into your Apple ID, and ensure a stable Wi-Fi connection and adequate battery. Once done, enroll your device in the Apple Beta software program or join the developer beta using your Apple ID. This grants the Intelligence Beta profile. Make sure to back up to iCloud or Finder before installing. Now proceed to download and install the beta profile so the system recognizes. With the profile downloaded, open Settings and tap Profile downloaded at the top. You will see the Apple Beta software profile. Tap Install, enter your passcode, agree to prompts, and follow the on-screen confirmations. Once the profile is installed, restart your iPhone to apply changes. After reboot, go to Settings General Software Update and wait for the Apple Intelligence Beta to appear. If it shows, tap Download and Install. The device will download the update and prepare for installation automatically. Finish the install by following the final prompts and sign back into iCloud if asked. Enable Apple Intelligence toggles in Settings under Siri and Search and Intelligence to activate features. Make sure to test core functions and review privacy prompts to control data usage. If the update stalls or fails, free up 5 to 10 gigabytes of space, reboot your iPhone, and reattempt the download. If that still fails, remove the beta profile, restart, reinstall the profile, and try again. That often resolves persistent installation errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.